Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to a new episode of Baking with Chef Raphael, a show that's all about making you a better home baker. Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry bread. It's a quick bread, so meaning it's raised by baking powder and bicarbonate of soda. Let's get started. So for the ingredients we have all-purpose flour. Our raising agent is baking powder and baking soda. We have cinnamon powder, it's 1 teaspoon. Yogurt, but you can also use cream cheese. This is half a cup. Strawberries, we'll use 1.5 cups of strawberries that is already cut into small sizes. We have margarine as our fat, eggs, and sugar. And right now I'm using a flavored margarine. It has vanilla, so I actually will skip the vanilla essence part. What I usually say, it's a good idea to have a weighing scale. First thing is to mix it until it's softened. Add the sugar, it's 150 grams. So that's it, and then I will add 1 egg at a time. So add and then mix. Add the second one. Now to this, I will now on this stage we'll actually now prepare the dry ingredients by adding cinnamon, baking soda, and the baking powder as well. So half a teaspoon, and then we'll add to the batter mixture, the egg and margarine mixture. We'll add it in 2 batches. So first a little bit, and then a little bit of the yogurt, plain yogurt or cream cheese. Then mix. Then the other half. So the mixture is a little bit not too soft, so it's a good idea if the whisk is not helping you, if it's too hard for the whisk, you can always use a spatula and make sure that you completely mix the mixture until no flour is visible. Now to this I'll add strawberries, and then we'll place it into a rectangular cake pan that already has a baking paper on the bottom. This kind of tin is good for this mixture because again it's a strawberry bread, it's a bread tin, but you can also use a round one. The oven is already preheated, so it's at 180 degrees, and the time is actually dependent with the baking tin you use. If you are using a round one for this one, that means the mixture will probably be not so thick, not so deep, and that means that it will take less time to bake. So our strawberry bread is ready. As you can see, it has nicely browned. The amount of strawberries, first of all, you can reduce. Now it depends on you. You can make it fast. So I had said 1.5 cups. You can reduce it slightly less. So I hope you've learned something. I'm your host, Chef Raphael. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you're notified every time I have a new recipe out. And until next time, goodbye.